So today I will be giving you, I hope you have pen and paper in your hand, and I will give you some traits, some managerial traits, and you are to write 5 traits which are there in you, 5 top traits which are there in you as manager. I'll give you many traits. You have to write 5 which are there in you, which define you, the traits which define you. And also, I may ask you that can you prove that you have this trait? How do you know that you have this trait? Through some example, through some kind of real life situation, you are to tell that you have this trait. And also you are to simultaneously write the top three traits which manager should have, which are the most important. So there are 2 questions I'm asking you. One, what 5 traits define you? The 5 topmost trait among all which I'm giving you, the 5 traits which define you, that is number 1. And second, what you have to tell is, you are to tell the top 3 traits which manager should have. You may or you may not have this, but manager should have. And when you define yourself in these traits, you have to tell me, I may ask you that how do you know you have these traits? That is the meaning of it. So some kind of example you have to give that you have this. This is what I'm going to ask you. So again, let me repeat. I'm giving you a list of managerial traits. From this list, you have to identify 5 traits for you, which you have, which define you, these traits. And then you have to also write 3 traits which manager should have, so that he's a successful executive in the organization, asset for organization. So let me now dictate you these traits. Please write. Communication skill. Communication skill. Responsibility and accountability. Responsibility and accountability. Responsibility and accountability. Self-motivated. Self-motivated, comma, self-directed. Self-motivated, comma, self-directed. Next, confident. 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 Next, people oriented. People oriented. People oriented. Persistence and patience. Persistence and patience. Vision and foresight. Vision and foresight. Decisiveness. Decisiveness. Decisiveness.
Spelling?
Decisiveness. D-E-C-I-S-I-V-E. Decisiveness.
What is the meaning, sir? Actually, I don't know.
Decision taking capacity it is all about.
Okay,
Decision
making.
Technical knowledge, which is your hard skill. Technical knowledge. Creativity and innovation. Creativity and innovation. Selflessness. Selflessness. Then comes teamwork. Selflessness, then comes teamwork. Teamwork. Self-discipline. self-discipline, honesty, empathy, sympathy, empathy, sympathy, empathy, sympathy. I give you again list: communication, accountability and responsibility, self-motivated, self-directed, confident, people-oriented, persistence and patience, vision and foresight, decisiveness, technical knowledge, hard skill, creativity and innovation, selflessness, teamwork, self-discipline, honesty, empathy and sympathy, empathy and sympathy, empathy and sympathy.
So, sir, we have to arrange this in ascending order.
You have to tell 5 traits which define you. There is no order, but 5 traits which define you, which you think you have. And then you have to tell the top 3 traits which manager should have. The most important traits which you think manager should have. Once you say that these traits define you, or you do otherwise, you define 3, you just write 3 traits which define you. You can do this way, maybe 3 traits which define you and 5 traits which manager should have. You can take this way. That will be better, that will be easier. So you have to tell me any 3 traits which define you. And any 5 traits which manager should have. So it is very important that we should know what traits we have, what kind of personality we are. You need to be honest, because I'm going to ask you, what do you understand by this and how do you think you are in this category? And then what traits manager should have that defines your knowledge about management, that manager should be what kind of person.
So we have to select 3 traits we have in
Yes,
from this
you
list.
have to define 3 traits which you have
From this list.
Yeah, from this list.
Okay.
And then you define any 5 traits which you think manager should have. So who is ready? Who is ready? Rajiv?
Yes, sir.
Okay, go ahead.
So, good morning to all of you. So as per what I think, the quality of manager, the top 5 quality of the manager. The first, I have taken the vision and the forecast. Why I have taken the vision and forecast? There's a solid reason behind that. So the one should be the manager who should have confidence of his decision and have the vision that from the 10 year or from the 15 year or for the after the 2 year, how the company work and what are the steps that he could take to run the company or organization smoothly. So the vision is the topmost thing, but unless and until you can't have vision, you can't generate anything. For doing anything or for doing any type of work, suppose you are a student, suppose someone is working there. So unless until you can't have the vision to reach the goal, so I just vision is totally is similar to the goal. So first I take the vision. Thereafter I have taken the decision. So there is a phrase called no risk, no game. And the decisive people take the decision on the factor of risk. So risk factor is also there. So on accountability of the decision making, one should have the risk factor. So decision making is, I have taken in the on the second point, that it should be the after the vision, that for the particular project you have to decide that whether you could do this or whether you are not able to do this.
Rajiv there?
Sir, sir, should we explain the three things what we have in a separate manner as in a managerial, like we should combine both?
You should first tell
Manager
what manager should have, and then you can tell what you have.
Okay.
What define you? I think Rajiv connection is a trouble for Rajiv. So we
Should
can
I
proceed.
start, sir?
I will take.
Okay, Vidya, you want to go ahead?
Yes, sir.
Okay, please go ahead.
Yes, sir.
Good evening,
I'm
friends.
audible?
Rajiv, you're back?
Yeah, I'm back, sir.
Okay.
Okay. So I have just up to the third point of the confidence I have completed. Thereafter, I've taken the self-motivated. So self-motivated means the decision that you have taken, there is a possibility that the decision that you have taken should be up and down. So you have to motivate yourself that you are the perfect, you can do this. So if you are self-motivated, then you can motivate other. So it should be people oriented. People can just make a link on your motivation. And the last, I have taken the responsibility that what the manager should be of. So it's not about the total knowledge, it's about the responsibility that what the leader can do, what the manager can do. So these are the top five point that I have taken, the quality of manager. So on the after that, what I have personally, what I feel that the first thing that I have is also the vision, because unless and until I can't have the vision, I can't create the path, or I can walk on the path for which the goal is to be decided. Thereafter, the second thing is the honesty about my work. So if I'm honest to my hard work, then I should reach to the goal. And on the third, I take the confidence. If I have the vision, if I am honest, and if I confident, then I could reach the goal. So these all the three qualities that I have. And earlier first the vision, then the decisiveness, third is a confidence, fourth is a self-motivated, and fifth is responsibility that the manager should have. So that's all from my side.
Okay, vision, honesty, confidence, right?
Yes, sir. For me.
Okay, Vidya, go ahead.
Yes, sir. Good evening, friends. Today, what is the topic given to is what are the top 5 traits should a manager have? From my point of view, the first trait should a manager compulsory possess decisiveness. He should be show strong enough to take any kind of decision. With the knowledge he have, he should be confident enough to take that decision. When coming to the second point, he should be have very nice communication skills. He should be able to explain to his team how what is his decision, on what basis he has taken it, and how he is going to implement it. So I give the second point to communication skills. And for third point, I am giving to confidence. He should be confident enough so that he can encourage and create enthusiasm in his team. If he only lacks confidence, how can he make people believe? If he is not having any belief in him, he can't expect others to believe him. So I am giving third point as confidence. Later on, he should be responsible and he should have vision and foresight. He should be so responsible that and so careful that with what path he has decided to take to receive his goal should not face so many backlogs. He should work with that motive so that he should be so much responsible. And in case if anything roadblock occurs, he should be so accountable. He should not blame others. As I took first point as decisiveness, so I respond. He should be the one who should be more responsible about his decision. And the last point I am giving is teamwork. He should have the capability to run the team.
So Vidya, can you again mention all the 5?
First one is decisiveness. Second one, communication skills. Third one is confident on his decision. Responsible. And fifth point is teamwork.
Okay. Okay, now what you have?
What traits I do have as a manager is, first I have decisiveness and I can work very good with the team, and I am very responsible and accountable towards my decisions. Even I can justify these things also. When we are in final year, in our last semester, our professor asked us to do a project. At the last minute, it got failed. At that time, I am the one who quickly took one decision to start another project and helped all my team and motivated them to work. Even when they were not sure about its success, I took the responsibility and accountability about it. And even we did good.
Great. So now we go for Sadhana.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Sadhana, and I'm very glad to do this group task. The task is we have to discuss traits of leadership and manager. I found this topic thought-provoking and very vital and of day-to-day experience and use. As myself is concerned, I will prioritize 3 top things which I possess according to me. That is, I am a self-disciplined person. As I am working in the economic industry, banking sector, I deals with public money, and which is a very sensitive field. That is why unless and until I myself is self-disciplined, I have to set example for others, my teammates, that they should come in time, and public hours should be started within time as per the times decided by the bank or our organization, and other matters also. While dealing to the public, there should be decency should be maintained, and they have to talk and attended carefully, and with all kind of products and product offerings of organization should be offered to them. That is why self-discipline plays a very important role, and that is one of my characteristics. I believe in teamwork. There are a number of departments in bank which is like operational department or credit department or remittance department. I have to coordinate them all, and only teamwork is the key to success to any organization. I myself, I am a great team originator, and I believe in teamwork most. Then the third quality is decisiveness. Timely decision taking is very, very important. If you do not take decision on time, within time, or it becomes late decision, then it will be financial loss for the organization and yourself also. That is why these are the three. First one is self-discipline, second one is teamwork, and third one is decisiveness. These are my qualities, according to me. Talking about managerial requirements or characteristics, I will prioritize good manager should have good communication skills, communicate effectively and minutely with his teammates. Then second one is a good manager should take responsibility and accountability of the happenings. There are certain tasks we have to do in our day-to-day business. Then whenever anything goes wrong, he should take responsibility for the wronggoings and should not blame others, and make the things happen in a proper way. Third character should be people oriented. He should think of the peoples, because all the work which is going on for the people, hence benefit of the people should be taken in the account and should given a priority over other things. Manager should possess technical knowledge of the things, hence he should become confident and he can easily guide to his teammates. And last but not the least, which is the most important character of every manager, that should be empathy and sympathy for his colleagues. When at every point of time, you should not stick to rules and regulation. According to the situation and the requirement of the situation, you should be think about your colleagues and teammates also, and accordingly decision should be taken. That's it, sir.
Okay. So we go for now, Gautam.
Yes, sir. Hello.
Yeah, go ahead.
Hello. Good evening, sir. Good evening, friends. There are 15 traits as we seen. If we're talking about for managing as a manager, which skill is required, then the first skill, according to me, is communication skill. As we know that for a good manager, there should be a good communicator. So he can explain, he can put our points in front of our colleague, and the manager should know when to talk and when to listen. So the communication skill is first skill which is very important for manager. If I talking about the second skill required for a manager, the manager should be self-motivated, because he the first who take the decision. So he should be motivated so that he is not confused with any decision. And if we're talking about the third traits which the manager should have, that is the vision and foresight. The manager should have the sight for future, and we have plan for future. We know that the needs are changed continuously as on time. So manager, the things, the needs is changed. So manager should have to take care about that and keep our eye on the needs of future. if I talk about the fourth phase, then this is teamwork, because manager is not alone who run the company. There are many employees. So the manager feel our employee that their all employee have participation in this organization as equally. So the teamwork is also important for the for managing skill. If I talking about the fifth skill, then according to me, it we should have in manager is creativity and innovation. Because if the manager is doing something and it not work very well, then we should be as creative to do the same thing in alternate way. So these are the these are the five traits we should have in manager according to me. If I'm talking about the three traits in me, then the first trait is responsibility, and the second trait is self motivated, and the third trait is in decisiveness. Thank you, sir.
So can you again mention, Gautam, what three traits you have?
Sir, first is responsibility, which I have, and second is decisiveness, and third is self-motivated.
Okay. So I think now we can go for Rahul.
Good evening, friends. The topic given for GT group task is very interesting today. According to me, I'll first go to the first five traits a manager should possess. According to me, selflessness is the first and foremost thing a manager should have, I think, because friends, do you know what is the biggest enemy of a leader? It is pride and prejudice, I would say, because yesterday there is an interesting interview by E. Sridharan, Metroman E. Sridharan. He selflessness. He gave. It must be a coincidence, but he gave a. He talked about this topic. He gave a Sanskrit word for this. He called it Nirapeksha. Now I will explain how it works for a manager, how it is important for a manager. Just assume that you are a manager and you have all the power to make a decision, and you are going to make an important decision about your organization, and you don't have to argue with. In that case, you don't have to argue with your employees, or you don't have to convince your employees or your subordinates, because you have all the power to make. Then if you think you have an idea, and if you think you are that is the good decision, and the team members also have some decision. So in order to mitigate the risk, then first thing we have to do is to hear everything from all your employees, all your subordinates. For that, you will have to be this quality. Will have selflessness. Otherwise, you will not listen to anybody, and you will argue, or you will take the wrong decision all the time. I have seen many companies, good companies, fallen apart because of this disputes in top management. Take an example of Nokia. There was the top management do not want to launch the Windows, Android phones. But there was exactly a group, a top management
Rahul,
group.
you need to be a little precise. You have a
Okay.
time limitation. Yeah.
Okay. Then I'll go to the next topic. Persistence and patience. With some good decisions always take time. So without this, we have to invest time. Without patience and persistence, we may not reach anybody. Third, I would say decisiveness. Manager should have the decision-making capability, right thing at the right time. He should have the quality. Fourth important thing is people-oriented, empathy and sympathy. I would say one among this. Without this, we cannot manage the talent, and always the work will be imbalanced. Somebody will be working harder, somebody will be doing nothing. That kind of things happens almost. And fifth thing is responsibility and accountability. Because say if your boss made a mistake, and everybody, everybody is to listen your boss. And if he made a mistake and he blamed the team for that, then we also will feel insecure under him. Now coming to the three traits I have, I would say I am selflessness, this selflessness, empathy and sympathy, and persistence and patience. That's all.
Okay, now I think we can go for Neeraj.
Yes, good morning, good evening, sir. Good evening, friend. I think there are five things out of these managers should have. First thing is communication skills. So manager should have communication skills, because anything, any information comes from the upper level, and so managers should transfer to the team people. So it's very clear, because first of all, if any communication is disbalanced, so this communication effect on the work. So communication skills. Second is responsibility. Manager should have the responsible person, because anything good, anything people, teamwork, team people.
Neeraj, you there? I think then Mansingh, you start.
Thank you so much for giving this opportunity, sir. If I'm talk about that five major responsibility the manager should have, like first I will go for vision and foresight, because if the manager have a vision, and then the manager can change change the consistency, yeah, can change the way the decision they should take, and they like manager can take. And second thing, should have responsibility and accountability. These are second I took, because the manager should have a responsible what he implemented in the organization and what the results came. And third thing, I will go for communication skills. This is like also should have a manager should have a good communication skills, because if manager knows how to deliver that policy in organization, how to communicate with their employees, then he can deliver the policies, any others change in the organization. And if I'm talk about the fourth thing, that it should have a people oriented, because if manager hear the like all the employees what the need, what the actual need have in organization, and what he can do for them, and so it should be a people oriented. And if I'm talking about fifth point, so I will go for honesty, because it is very essential, it is very necessary thing for the manager, because if the manager is honest, then he or she can make the implement anything in organization with dedication, and he will not be biased in anywhere. And if I'm talk about the three things which I have, like first I will I have a vision and foresight, because I know the what I will do in the future, and what the qualities I have, what I can do. And second thing, I will go for creativity and innovation. And yeah, this thing is very good in my, because I feel that sometimes the problem solving ability is not only necessary thing to solve the problem. It should have a creativity and innovation, because if you solve any problem in a certain manner, and then like if feel trouble in that way, then I will go for any other further, like in a creativity manners, and I will find out that some different way to solve the problem. So I feel that in my project, I solved the one problem with different way, so that I feel that the optimized way how to solve the problem. Like I have one real example, because I was working on the ballistic material. So once I did high strength test on that SSCB apparatus, but there is some problem in the apparatus. So but we cannot manufacture the new apparatus because it is very costly. We cannot also buy, because it is the price is in a CR. So I just made the one fixture according to my my specimen, so that I just put in that apparatus and I test it on the according to my specimen. So that the things I feel that it is very important to for any engineers. It should have a creativity and innovation. And third thing, I will go for honesty. This is my power, that I know that I am very honest about my work, and I can do with consistent work with the honesty. Because if I am honest with my work, then then I think that this is my power.
Okay, Neeraj, communication responsibility you have
Yes,
already
sir.
told.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Yes,
communication.
sir. Communication and responsibility.
Go third.
Yes, sir. Third is self-motivated.
Mhm.
Yes, sir. Third is self-motivated. Some managers have the self-motivated, because if he has the self-motivated itself, so other has also motivated from there. Because motivation is the main thing to do any work in a teamwork. Because every person should sometimes demotivated, because sometimes going a failed, sometimes going a success in the doing the work. Fourth thing is decisiveness. So decisiveness is also is a part of managerial skills, because every manager have to be taken a decision power and decision activity. If any work have to be done, so decision is very important. How to be done, and at what time. So decision is the main thing. Fifth thing is teamwork. If a teamwork manager also has a teamwork, because how to manage the people, and how to use the power and autonomy for the team, and how to support and encouraging the people individually, yeah, whole team. So understanding the organization structures. So the first of teamwork is very important, because first of all understanding the organization and delivering the things. So these are 5 things managers should have. And after later 3 things belongs to me. First of all, self-motivated. I think I am a self-motivated person, because many times I have the failure in life, and so after failure.
Neeraj, you there? Okay, Neeraj, you there?
Hello.
Yeah, go for
This
next.
something is something network.
Next 2 traits you please tell.
Sorry, sir. Yes, yes, sir. Second is persistent and patience. I think there is many most things in our life. Persistent, patience. Patient is anyone who the consistently until we do not get a goal, and so continuously work anything, whatever hard work, whatever the work is very hard, no. So persistent is good, and patience is most important things in our life, because any work have to be do to take some time. So patience is important. And third thing is teamwork. So, I think I have also do a teamwork. I have also done some work in my college life. So how to do in a team and what is my responsibility, what is team responsibility, I understand. So I have the some teamwork. That's last. Thank you, sir.
So let me now tell you about what you have told. See, you people have misunderstood manager with leader also. Do you know there is a difference between leader and manager? Good human being, bad human being. Should a manager be good human being? What do you think?
Not necessarily, sir.
Not necessarily. So empathy, sympathy, whatever you were saying, Rahul.
No,
what was
sir.
that?
Actually, empathy, sympathy is important for a manager, sir. I
Okay,
would say because
the person will empathize only if he's a good human being. Otherwise, he will not. How you will fire
sir.
somebody who is having no job if you're empathetic?
Actually, sir, a person, there are many qualities of a good human being, I think, sir. A person should be honest, a person should be responsible.
Let me tell you, like out of all these, let me tell you first. See, the moment you give me this list, I can tell you what kind of person you are.
Yes, sir.
Very clearly, I can tell you that what kind of person you are on the basis of what you told. Good manager, a leader should have a person with vision. Leader is a person who leads. Manager is a person who gets work done. He is not to have a vision. He is to only implement whatever already is there. He is to implement the things. He is to get the work done. He did not decide what work. Work is already decided. He is only to execute that. Somebody else planned. Leader is a person who thinks differently, innovative, creative, vision, foresight, self-directed, self-motivated, self-disciplined. वो leader होता है. Yes, Mansingh.
Sir, actually, I was thinking that manager who make the policies also, like as we heard in in a colleges, management team make the policy for students.
Management जो होता है top management होती है, एक आदमी नहीं होता उसमें. Manager and management दो अलग चीजें हैं.
Can we consider CEO as a manager or a leader?
Manager.
Manager. Then he should have the vision, sir.
No, but he इसके ऊपर भी बैठा होता है आदमी. उसके ऊपर भी होता है, उसको भी विजन होना चाहिए. लेकिन मैंने सीईओ पे नहीं जाने को बोला तुम्हें, मैंने मैनेजर तक बोला था तुम्हें रहने को.
Yes, sir. Yes, I know.
तुम बहुत बड़े मैनेजर पे पहुंच गए ना तुम.
I know.
तुम डायरेक्ट सीईओ पे पहुंच गए. उसको तो यार थोड़ा बहुत विजन तो उसको भी चाहिए. Understand that? See, yes, there's a thin line actually. A leader is someone who leads by setting up his own experiment. He should have a charisma. You know charisma?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
That kind of personality.
Narendra.
And you know manager? Manager can be the person whom you hate, but you know he gets work done from you. Leader is someone whom you may not hate, but you know he has a charisma. You follow him. अरे ऐसा आदमी है यार. वो लीड करता है. वो स्टेटस को जैसा चीज चल रहा है उसको स्टेटस को नहीं देखना होता. जैसे साधना मैम will tell us, if you are a manager in the bank, your main activity, you know this is how it is to be done. Manager is not going to create a new policies or he is going to change one fine day he goes to the bank and let's change everything. He will not do that. He will make things move if efficient way, effective way. Manager does not believe in bringing a lot of changes. No, he does not want that. He believes in running the show effectively, efficiently. And the leader is someone who basically changes the things. Eventually it may turn up good or bad. Unless until you do it, you don't know that. Manager never takes that much of risk-taking capability. Is the personality of leader, not manager. अरे अगर मैनेजर बहुत रिस्क ले लेगा तुम्हारा काम रुक जाएगा. एंटरप्रेन्योर अलग चीज हो गई. एंटरप्रेन्योर हो गया नया जो वेंचर स्टार्ट करता है आदमी, वो अलग चीज हो गई. ये अलग चीज है. अब देखो मैं तुम्हें बताता हूं जो लीडर की इसमें लीडर और मैनेजर में कॉम्बिनेशन भी होता है. यू कैन नॉट सेपरेट बोथ दीज थिंग्स. लीडर वर्सेस मैनेजर इज ए जीडी, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक है जीडी का ये. तो थ्रू दिस डिस्कशन आई वांट यू टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट आल्सो. क्रिएटिव, इनोवेटिव, सेल्फ मोटिवेटेड, सेल्फ डायरेक्टेड, विजन, फोरसाइट, पेशेंस, परसिस्टेंस लीडर में चाहिए. मैनेजर में क्या चीज चाहिए? 5 मेरी फेवरेट 5. कम्युनिकेशन स्किल.
Yes.
अंग्रेजी बहुत अच्छी आनी चाहिए, हिंदी बहुत अच्छी आनी चाहिए, वो नहीं. कम्युनिकेशन इज नॉट दैट. 3 तरह का कम्युनिकेशन होता है. ओरल, हिंदी, इंग्लिश, तेलुगु, तमिल, एनीथिंग. पीपल शुड अंडरस्टैंड. सेकंड इज रिटन. मेल ड्रॉप किया, व्हाट्सएप ड्रॉप किया, मतलब कुछ और नहीं निकल जाना चाहिए, जो बोलना चाहते हो वही जाना चाहिए. दैट इज रिटन. थर्ड इज जेस्चर पोस्चर. जेस्चर पोस्चर इज ऑल्सो ना रिटन ना वर्बल. 3 कम्युनिकेशन के तरीके हैं ये. दैट शुड बी गुड. देन कॉन्फिडेंट. सीइंग योर कॉन्फिडेंस, people under you will work. Decisiveness, yes. Sir, what do you think we should do? Do it like this. Sadhana ma'am sitting on the post of manager. Subordinate comes, ma'am, customer is saying like that. Now ma'am should be confident and she should take a decision then and there. Okay, उनको बोलो कि ये कर देते हैं हम, don't worry. And that confidence should be there. Suppose the ma'am is confused, okay, I don't know क्या होना चाहिए, I don't know. Then the subordinate will not even be confident. And you need to take decision, otherwise time wastage. Teamwork, yes. You have to make things move. Alone, individual, you cannot do that. You need to have teamwork. Self-discipline. If you don't have, teamwork cannot be there. So if you ask me, communication, confident, decisiveness, teamwork, self-discipline. So you will ask me, sir, don't you think he should be self-motivated, self-directed, self-guided? If he has a discipline, self-motivated, उसको मतलब नहीं है motivated नहीं motivated. जा रहा है सवेरे, उसको काम करना है और करवाना है. That's it. अपना काम करवाना है, क्या मोटिवेशन चाहिए उसके लिए? मोटिवेशन उसको चाहिए जिसको लाइफ में फ्लक्चुएशंस आती हैं. फ्लक्चुएशंस, गुड बैड. मैनेजर की लाइफ में क्यों आएगा? He is to make things move. That's it. He is to run the show. He is to make it effective. That's it. Demotivate नहीं होगा ज्यादा. Technical knowledge up to one level is required, but management is different. Not much knowledge. I know many professors who produce PhD like anything. They don't have much knowledge, but they produce PhD because they know how to get it done. Knowledge उनको नहीं है, but they are good managers. Yes, people oriented. You may not be. What is the meaning of people here? You may not be people oriented. See, I'm not bothered about your problems here. Please don't bring your problems here. If you're coming in the morning, just know you should know what you have to do. That's it. Please don't bring your trouble to me. I'm not empathetic. I'm not sympathetic. I'm not people oriented. Yes, but I know how to get the work done. मैंने ऐसे मैनेजर भी देखे हैं. They are there. Not required. There's a theory X. There's a theory Y. That is here. Sometimes you can be assertive. You can be autocratic, and still you can be very good manager. डरा के काम लेने वाला काम भी हो जाता है. You can do that. So I'm not saying other things are not there, but these are the most important traits. Now I come to each one of you. Rajiv, foresight, vision, decisiveness, self-motivated, people-oriented, responsibility. This is what Rajiv said. And Rajiv said, I have vision, I have honesty, I have confidence. Let me tell you, Rajiv, you are a thinker. You know, astrology भी करता हूं मैं. अब मैं तुम्हारी जन्म पत्री बताता हूं, तुम कैसे हो. I'll tell you that. You are a thinker. You are little introvert. You have very high values for people. Somebody cries, you will listen to him. I'll tell you, leave it यार, ऐसे रो रहा हो. नहीं, I need to listen to him. तुम्हारा एक ओपिनियन बनेगा तो तुम उसको फॉलो करोगे. तुम्हारा ओपिनियन ये है, ये मेरा ओपिनियन है, और तुम उस डायरेक्शन में चलने की ट्राई करोगे. बहुत जल्दी डिसीजन नहीं लोगे, लेकिन जो डिसीजन लिया होगा उस पर स्टिक करते रहोगे. बहुत ज्यादा शिरूर नहीं हो. मैंने बोला यार राजीव ये काम करना है यार, आदमी काम नहीं कर रहा है. यू विल नॉट बी इन पोजीशन टू गेट इट डन फ्रॉम हिम. अगर तरीका चेंज करना पड़े, You will not be in position to do that, Rajiv. So you have vision. That means you are thinker. Honest हो. Time लगेगा. बहुत जल्दी abrupt decision नहीं ले सकते आप. That is what you are. I'm not saying you are not good manager. मैं वैसे बता रहा हूँ. This is not a part of this exercise, but I'm telling you about your personality. What is obvious from here? You want to tell me something more about that, Rajiv? About you?
No, sir. That's right.
ये सही है तुम्हारे बारे में?
Yes, sir. I'm an astronomer. मतलब I generally read the lines of the hand. And second, I'm an artist. I'm a painter. So kind-hearted. And I have a vision also because I'm working in the startup of supply chain.
तो भाई इंजीनियर क्यों बन गए?
इंजीनियर से गलती से बन गए थे.
चलो कोई बात नहीं, अच्छा बात है. हमारे प्रोफेशन में यार तुम्हारे जैसे लोग भी चाहिए, नहीं तो प्रोफेशन बोर हो जाएगा. हमारा प्रोफेशन में वी नीड पीपल लाइक यू आल्सो. राजीव
90% इंजीनियर्स गलती से बन रहा है.
नहीं गलती से नहीं बन रहा है. बन गया, उस गलती को सुधार करो. जो गलती तुमने कर दी है उसको सुधार करो, अब बन जाओ.
Sir, I'm also what you say, stand-up comedian in my college, in my school. So, certain side of humor.
आर्टिस्टिक हो तुम.
Yes, sir.
गुड. अब चलते हैं विद्या की तरफ. विद्या, should I tell you what kind of person you are?
Yes, sir.
Please, sir.
Should I? Okay, let me see. See, जितना विद्या, the kind of weak you look, you are not actually. You are a strong girl, and you are difficult to mold. Normally girls are, but you are difficult to mold person. You will think of your team members. You can take a stand for them. And whatever you decide, you try to convince others that this is what should be done. Though you will look like the weakest in the group, but you are not. You are the hardest nut to crack. And you will have your own view in what you think. This is what I think, and this is my view. This is what you are, Vidya. Tell us something more.
Yes, sir. Anyone can't influence me.
Everyone can't. In my
Yes.
opinion, can't. Yes.
If I
You are
have
not
a
gullible.
view,
There's a word for woman, gullible, who can be easily convinced. You are not. As per what
yes,
you said.
yes, sir.
Am I right? But you look like gullible, but you are not actually.
Everyone says like that only.
Okay.
By seeing me,
So Sadhana ma'am, don't take her in your bank. That is a message. That is the point. She will not listen to you.
Yeah.
And Vidya said decisiveness, communication, confidence, accountability, responsibility. So largely, जो मैंने 5 points तुम्हें बताए थे, Vidya has mentioned that. So Vidya can be a very good manager. Conclusion is she can be a very good manager. And that is reflected. Because you not see disguise her personality. किसी को लगेगा people will gel up with her easily. She will take decision, correct decision, but people will think, okay, she's good to move along with. I mean, I would like to work under Vidya ma'am, and then she'll be a strict manager. That is how it is. Now I come to Sadhana ma'am.
Yeah.
She said communication, responsibility, accountability, people orientation, technical knowledge, empathy, and sympathy. And she said she has self-discipline, teamwork, and decisiveness. Now let me tell you about what personality you are. That is what. See, discipline has come with your long years of service. This has come because you have done your job nicely, and it has your job has given this thing to you, not only your personality. There's a contribution of your job also into this, not only your personality. So that is expected from a middle management level person like you, who is sitting there successfully, completed so many years. Teamwork. Now that also your organization has taught you, because you have understood over the period of time that this is the best thing if you want to move along. And decisiveness comes with knowledge,
Yeah.
and it comes with your strong personality, which you are actually. Again, if I go back couple of years when you got recruited, you were assertive individual, assertive. Assertive people take decision. Confident, assertive people take decision.
Yeah.
And you used to value people because of their caliber and righteousness. You will tell somebody wrong, you are wrong. You will tell somebody right, he's right.
Yes, yes, yes.
And with the passage of time, you learned certain traits that you should not tell somebody wrong, that you are wrong abruptly. This is what you learned with passage of time.
Yes, 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 sir.
And now you are
You
sitting.
should not look bossy,
Yeah.
but still you have to get work done from them.
Yes.
But you
Yes.
should not look bossy.
By personality you are, but now you have learned this trait of not looking like bossy.
Yes.
So I will say that these are the things which you have in you, and this your job has also taught you. This is what I believe.
Yes, sir.
Empathy, sympathy, because you are at the post where people expect these things from you. So you mentioned this in manager.
Yeah.
And moreover, you are into government domain,
Yeah.
where the environment ecosystem is a little different. You can afford to be empathetic and sympathetic, but think of private sector where you have to lay off the people. You cannot afford to
It
do
is
that.
expected to give certain concessions at certain times, periodical. It is there. And one more thing I quoted, that is people oriented.
That is because
That
of
is
your profession.
in the perspective that we have to maintain relationship, and
Yes.
customer relationship also plays a very vital role, sir.
Actually,
In
you
case
directly
of
went to customer in
cross-selling,
this. You directly went to customer in this.
cross-selling and getting references from new customer, getting feedback and new leads from them. In that perspective, I told that people oriented होना चाहिए.
आपने पीपल कस्टमर ले लिए यहाँ पे. टॉपिक में पीपल जो था वो आपके एम्प्लॉय थे.
Employees थे, yeah.
इंटरनल कस्टमर, एक्सटर्नल कस्टमर नहीं.
Right.
तो बैंक के जो एम्प्लॉय थे वो कस्टमर थे. Right? So
Okay,
it
sir.
was
Yes,
basically that. Manager can afford not to be people oriented also. Manager can afford to do that. Now I come to Gautam. But yes, Sada ma'am, you are a good manager. So there is nothing required. You proved that over the period of time now. So now I come to Gautam. Gautam said, communication, self-motivation, vision, foresight, teamwork, creativity, innovation. Creativity, innovation, foresight, self-motivation may not be required in manager. Gautam said responsibility, decisiveness, self-motivated.
Yes, sir.
Responsibility, accountability. रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी वाला आदमी बहुत डरता है डिसीजन लेने से पहले. 10 बार सोचता है लूं कि ना लूं. ये होता है. This is what is the main thing. So I think responsibility, decisiveness, self motivated, ये तीन चीज गौतम आपको एक ऐसा इंडिविजुअल बनाता है जो काम तो करता रहेगा लेकिन रिस्क बहुत ज्यादा नहीं लेगा. डिसीजन लेट भी हो सकता है तुम्हारा. डिसिसिवनेस एंड रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी, ये दोनों चीजें थोड़ी सी क्लैश करती हैं. तो यू नीड टू सी व्हाट काइंड ऑफ पर्सन यू आर. आई मीन somebody will say let's decide it, तो आप सोचोगे यार इसके साथ रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी आएगा एंड यू आर अ रिस्पॉन्सिबल फेलो, तो आप थोड़ा सा हेजिटेट करेंगे उसमें लेने के लिए. ऐसा होता है. पर एक बार किया तो फिर तुम उसको स्टिक करते हो. Rahul, you said selflessness, patience, persistence, decisiveness, people oriented, responsibility, accountability. You are selfless, empathetic, sympathetic, patience. तुम्हारे में मैनेजर वाले ट्रेट नहीं है राहुल.
I know, sir.
तुम्हें पंगा पड़ता है, पंगा.
Yes, sir.
और तुम पंगे में रहते हो. और
Yes, sir, I
स्ट्रेट
don't
फॉरवर्ड हो.
like-
सुनो, स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड हो.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
इसलिए लोगों के साथ आर्गुमेंटेटिव, लोग तुम्हारे साथ आर्गुमेंटेटिव होते हैं.
No, sir. No, sir. I don't, because I am selfless.
Not you. People.
No,
People
sir.
will
I
get
don't.
argumentative with you.
No, sir.
Selflessness
don't
is not
like-
against argumentativeness.
I don't argue at all, sir.
You are doing with me right now.
I mean,
This is what I'm saying. You need to understand the meaning of this.
yes, sir.
Because people don't understand you. That is what I'm saying.
That exactly.
You want
sir,
to put your point. You want to put your point.
Yes,
But
sir.
people,
Yes, sir. I know.
see, world is not that simple. You have something in your mind which you want people to understand. They don't do.
Yes.
Selfless. लोगों को ये भी नहीं पता क्या होता है वो. मेरे को भी नहीं पता. You say I'm selfless guy. They will not understand. Do you think they will understand? This entire world is full of selfishness, and you are saying here I'm guy. I'm a selfless. They don't
So
understand.
I mean, sir, less ego. Ego. I mean, there is a Sanskrit word, sir. Aham.
Ego is good thing or bad thing? Tell me.
Ego, sir. Less ego, sir. You should have ego, but less.
So that is what I'm saying. People will not understand.
Actually, this
What do you mean
comes
by
to
that?
from my again comes like Sadhana madam. It comes from the job experience. I work in a process plant, so mistakes the managers used to make because they don't listen.
So if I ask 10 people around you, do you know Rahul exactly what kind of person is he? 6 among them will say no, we don't know. We're still trying to explore this guy.
Exactly, sir.
Okay, this is what you are. I'm not saying you're bad. I'm not saying you're bad, but yes, you are some kind of need to be solved. Understand, Rahul?
But sir, actually, sir, it depends on the job. Actually, do you know about Chernobyl incident, Chernobyl accident? It took because the shift in charge was not listening to his subordinates. He was making a bad move. But all the employees, all the subordinates know about this, and they were arguing. So this kind of happens in my plant as well. That's why I said so.
See, I'm not sitting on judgment here. What kind of manager you are, you're good or bad. I'm not doing that.
I know,
Because
sir. I'm
the
a
kind of
terrible
manager required depends upon industry also. That is
Yes,
true.
sir. Yes.
The
Yes.
kind of manager which is needed depends upon industry also. I'm not saying denying
Actually,
that.
sir,
I'm just
again, sir,
telling the personality.
sympathy and empathy. I work in a very people have to work in a very critical situation, very hazardous situation. So you have to be empathetic about it.
I can tell you the reverse
That's
of
your
this.
work.
I tell you the reverse of
Now
this.
those days has gone, sir. Now those days has gone. You have to stick to the rules and regulation. You have to be empathetic, and simultaneously, parallelly, you have to bargain with them. Do this for me, I will give this. We
No,
have
actually,
to
sir.
bargaining situation at that time.
No, then, ma'am, this is the government and banking might work, but not in. Think of construction
sir.
industry. Think of
Exactly,
construction
sir.
industry. You are abusive with your worker, you know. Even today, there's one of my student who is in construction industry. He says, "What is the best way to get work done? In the morning, I go abuse everybody there, scold them very bad, sir, and then they keep on doing the work very nicely entire day." This is what his wording was. So it depends upon industry, I tell you.
There is a
Again,
skilled
again, sir,
worker and unskilled
Yes,
worker.
yes.
Unskilled work knows different language, and skilled worker knows
Yes,
different language.
that's
That's
true.
it.
Actually, sir,
That's true.
I'll give an example, sir. Actually, I'm taking care of the combustion equipments of my plant, sir. So I have to work 2 or 3 days in shutdowns, 2 or 3 days inside furnace. Inside furnace, it will be hot, and I have to replace all these things and things. So my worker, I have to be, because it's very hard to do these things. So I have to be, I should know how they are working. So I have to be empathetic. Otherwise,
Let me ask you, Rahul, is every manager there is as empathetic as you are for
no,
them?
sir. Just as you said, sir, many of them are abusive.
That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying, actually.
But I'm getting my work very clearly, sir. I'm getting without any, I don't have to shout at all. My workers just.
There will
obey.
come a stage when you will be supposed to shout.
Yes, sir. It happens.
That stage, you are not at that stage as of now.
No, sir, I have.
It's not required. Somebody else is abusing on your behalf, actually.
Yes, sir. Yes, that's true.
That's it. Oh, anyhow, then we have less time left. Let me go for Neeraj first. Neeraj, you said self-motivated, patience, and persistence. Again, leadership qualities, Neeraj. Communication, responsibility, self-motivated, decisiveness, teamwork. Manager में क्या होना चाहिए that you predicted nicely, but you are less manager, more leader. Fighter हो तुम, fighter.
Yes, sir.
फाइटर हो, बड़े आराम से लगे रहो, चलते रहो, लगे रहो। वो योर पीडीए की लाइन पकड़ रखी तुम लोगों ने, तुमने नीरज, चलते रहो, लगे रहो। यूर लीडर, यू नो, पेशेंस, परसिस्टेंस है, सेल्फ मोटिवेटेड हो तुम। लेकिन मैनेजर के पास कई बार पेशेंस भी नहीं चाहिए होती। आई डोंट नो पीपल लॉट ऑफ पेशेंस मैनेजर, समटाइम व्हाट नो इम्पेशेंट गाय। स्टीव जॉब मूवी देखी है आपने?
Yes,
यू
sir.
थिंक?
No sir, no sir.
अच्छा, तो मेरे को सोच के बताना कि बिल गेट और स्टीव जॉब में ज्यादा अच्छा मैनेजर कौन था। सोच के बताना, आप देखना मूवीज वगैरह देखना और मेरे को बताना स्टीव जॉब एंड बिल गेट में अच्छा मैनेजर कौन था एंड अच्छा लीडर कौन था।
बिल गेट्स।
दोनों सोच के बताना आप मेरे को। मैं सोच के
No,
बताना,
sir,
ऐसे
Steve
नहीं
Jobs.
बताना। सोच के बताना, ऐसे नहीं बताना। ये केस स्टडी दी है मैंने तुम्हें, बिल गेट, स्टीव जॉब। आई वांट टू हायर मैनेजर, 2 people applied in my company, Steve Jobs, Bill Gates. You have to tell me whom should I recruit and why. That is a case study for you. Now I go to Man Singh. मान सिंह, विजन, फोरसाइट, क्रिएटिविटी, इनोवेशन, ऑनेस्ट। मान सिंह तुम तो टोटल लीडर हो यार भाई साहब, पूरे विजन वाले लीडर हो तुम, ऑनेस्ट, ऑनेस्ट वाले लीडर हो। गांधी जी के टाइम पे तुम्हें पैदा होना चाहिए था।
Sir,
Yes.
I want to more about myself actually. Please explain.
भविष्य।
Yes, Man Singh, what do you say?
I will.
Sir, I want to know more about myself. Sir, could you please
Horoscope.
explain like?
हाँ, तो मैं वही बता रहा हूँ तुम्हें। मैं बता रहा हूँ कि तुम लीडर टाइप हो, तुम आर्टिस्टिक हो, लीडर हो, आर्टिस्टिक हो। तुम्हारे में वो क्वालिटीज हैं जो एक आर्टिस्टिक आदमी के अंदर होती हैं नॉर्मली, जो तुमने मेरे को बताया। तुम्हें अगर मैं बोलूं ये काम करना है, इस तरीके से करो, उसी तरीके से करो, तो तुम शायद नहीं सुनोगे। तुम्हें जो सही लगता है तुम उस तरीके से चलने की ट्राई करोगे। तुम 2 मीटर के बाद क्या डिस्टेंस ना देख के 20 मीटर बाद की चीज देखना चाहते हो, लेंथ ज्यादा कवर करके देखना चाहते हो। दैट इज अ पॉइंट। ऑनेस्टी का मतलब है कि अगर तुम्हें कोई चीज करनी पड़े, अगर तुम्हें कोई गेट द वर्क डन करना पड़े, तो तुम परेशान हो जाओगे। मैं तुम्हें बोल रहा हूं कि ये आदमी ऐसे काम करता है, इसके लिए अपना तरीका चेंज कर लो, तो तुम तरीका चेंज नहीं करोगे। आप नए मेथड ढूंढने की ट्राई करते हो जो आपको ठीक लगते हैं। आप उनको आइडेंटिफाई करने की ट्राई करोगे कि मेरे को ये सूट करता है, दिस इज व्हाट आई शुड डू। एंड आपका लॉन्ग टर्म पर्सपेक्टिव होता है, शॉर्ट टर्म पर्सपेक्टिव नहीं होता। आप लॉन्ग टर्म पर्सपेक्टिव में सोचते हो, शॉर्ट टर्म में नहीं। दिस इज कई बार आपकी अप्रोच प्रैग्मेटिक, प्रैक्टिकल नहीं होती, वो प्रैक्टिकल नहीं होती। आपको लगता सही है लेकिन वो वर्क नहीं करती। ये है जो आपकी पर्सनैलिटी के बारे में मेरे को यहां से लगा। बाकी आपने कुछ लीडरशिप वाले ट्रेड्स बताए हैं मैनेजर के अंदर, वो ट्रेड्स लीडर्स के हैं। दिस इज व्हाट मान सिंह आई गेट फ्रॉम यू, फ्रॉम योर दिस। अभी जितना मैंने एनालिसिस तुम्हें किया, ये क्वेश्चन पूछने का मतलब यही था, सो दैट आई शुड नो यू, आई शुड नो यू मोर। Now Sadhana is already managing, she's already manager in some bank, so difficult for me to know actually this is personality or this is with pass of time. Like if you serve in army for 20 years, you all become same. Army teaches you something. Similarly, if you do job in bank, and this will have some impact on your personality. But Vidya can be a good manager. Rahul is managing, but he's more emotional chap. Rajiv is emotional chap. Man Singh is upright, straightforward, thought oriented fellow. Neeraj is more leadership type के उसका behavior है। तो इन सब में जो सबसे अच्छा मैनेजरियल पर्सपेक्टिव है वो विद्या का है। साधना मैम को मैं बात
सर मैं
यस
सर मैं एक चीज पूछना चाहता हूँ सर।
हाँ पूछो।
सर जो मैंने बताया 3 थिंग्स फॉर मी, सो लीडरशिप की तरफ जा जाती है, बट मेरा स्ट्रेंथ अगर पूछा जाए किसी इंटरव्यू में कि व्हाट इज योर स्ट्रेंथ, तो ये बता सकता हूँ तीनों चीज की नहीं
बता सकते हो? नहीं, तुम लीडर में बता सकते हो, ऐसा नहीं कि रिजेक्ट करेगा तुम्हें, मैं वो नहीं बोल रहा हूँ। आई डिड नॉट से किसी इंडस्ट्री में शायद तुम ही उसको चाहिए हो, किसी इंडस्ट्री के अंदर अगर मेरे को मैनेजर लेना है तो
But
मेरे को
किसी-
पेशेंस और परसिस्टेंस वाला ही चाहिए। चेंज मत करना अपने आप को, मैंने चेंज करने के लिए
तो
नहीं
सर
बोला।
सेल्फ
सेल्फ
जी सर,
मोटिवेटेड तो होना चाहिए ना यार। अगर किसी इंडस्ट्री में फ्लक्चुएशन बहुत ज्यादा है, रिजल्ट नहीं आ रहे हैं, तो मेरे को तुम ही चाहिए नीरज। फाइटर हो तुम, फाइटर जो हो तुम हो नीरज। लेट मी टेल यू, इन सब में जो
Yes, sir.
सबसे ज्यादा
Sir,
फाइटर आदमी हो, कहाँ से
Yes,
हो तुम? विच पार्ट ऑफ इंडिया?
सर बिहार सीतामढ़ी डिस्ट्रिक्ट।
बिल्कुल सही है, बिहार से फाइटर होते हैं। पेशेंस, परसिवरेंस और सेल्फ मोटिवेटेड, ये बिहार के लोगों में बहुत होता है। मतलब इसको तुम एरिया के साथ लिंक कर सकते हो, मजाक नहीं कर रहा हूं, सच में कर सकते हो। पंजाब के लोग ऐसा होता है, उनमें ये स्ट्रेंथ होती है पर्सनैलिटी में। हरियाणा के ऐसे होते हैं, बिहार के ऐसे होते हैं, तमिल के ऐसे होते हैं। वो होता है, एरिया वाइज भी इम्पैक्ट होता है, ये चीज है। साइकोलॉजी में
ओ
तुम
सर,
देखोगे इकोसिस्टम का
इमिटेटिव
इम्पैक्ट,
साइकोलॉजी बोलते हैं,
फैमिली।
इमिटेटिव साइकोलॉजी बोलते हैं।
यस यस, दैट इज ट्रू। तो नीरज तुम्हारा जो बताया तुमने मेरे को,
Yes,
सेल्फ
sir.
मोटिवेटेड हूँ, पेशेंस है, परसिस्टेंस है, ये बिहार के लोगों में होता है। आईएएस क्यों बनते हैं सबसे ज्यादा? अदरवाइज ये चीज चाहिए ना तुम्हें। आईएएस जॉब के लिए ये चीज नहीं चाहिए, लेकिन तुम समझो पढ़ने के लिए बहुत तैयारी करनी पड़ेगी, फेलोर मिलेगा तुम्हें बार बार, और फिर
जी
तुम्हें
सर,
ऐसे
जी
लीडर्स के अंडर काम करना पड़ेगा जो तुम करना ही नहीं चाहोगे, भाग जाओगे। लेकिन पेशेंस वाला आदमी लगा रहेगा। अंडरस्टैंड? दिस इज हाउ
जी सर,
वो है।
जी सर,
No, but
थैंक
I
यू।
think I told you the session. Now you go through this entire thing. जो ट्रेड्स चाहिए and try to revise it well.
Yes, sir.
Done?
Sir,
I have a
what
question, sir,
changes
actually.
are required from my side, sir? Sir,
Yes.
what changes are required as I am working in PSU and banking industry, where lot of people and all the customers are involved. Is any changes suggestible from your side? Then I will endeavor, sir.
No, it's all is like you should have now this vision, foresight. I think the level way which you are entering now, it's a management to now leader role you are to acquire with pass of time. So you should have now vision. You should have now foresight, self motivated. Yes, these things. मतलब leaders की तरफ के तुम्हारे traits सब ज्यादा चाहिए, जो मेरे को लगता है।
Okay,
Level
sir.
पे।
I have
Sir,
a
my
question, sir. Should
TD is
I?
on 26th, sir. 26. Finally, I received date, sir. On 26th, I have GD and GT at
All the best.
Mumbai.
You'll blast. Don't worry.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, should I
Just
hide
go
my
through all the
quality-
topics which we have uploaded today. Also, हिंदू का कटिंग मैंने भेजा है, बहुत अच्छा है वो। PSU
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
बहुत ही अच्छा है, बढ़िया है वो लिखा हुआ।
That
Serial
videos are also so nice.
सॉरी,
Videos which you
Yes.
send links.
वीडियोस और सुन लेना है, बहुत मेहनत से वो भेजे मैंने ढूंढ ढूंढ के,
They
वो सुन लेना। जस्ट डू दैट, लिसन टू दोस।
सर अगर
And जो
Next
process
2-3
start
days,
किया
I
है
will join, sir.
सॉरी,
सर
Next
अगर
2-3 days, I will join, sir.
या नॉट अ प्रॉब्लम।
Yeah.
सर ये अगर सेल में पूछेंगे तो क्या मतलब मैनेजर वाला क्वालिटी बताएंगे क्या?
हाँ,
वही
मैनेजर
सर, मेरा भी डाउट वही है।
सेल को तो मैनेजर वाला चाहिए।
मतलब सर हमारा हाइड हो गया तो कोई हाइड करना है, मतलब ये सीखना है।
अभी यार पब्लिक प्लेटफॉर्म पे तो मैं नहीं बोलूंगा, तो क्या करना है।
नहीं यार।
तो अब तुम्हारा पर्सनालिटी मैंने तुम्हें बता दी, मैनेजर में कैसा पर्सनालिटी होना चाहिए, लोग कैसा व्यू बनाते हैं तुम्हारा।
व्यू बनाता है, अच्छा। ओह यस सर,
This is how it
ओके
is.
ओके,
Fine.
यस सर,
Yes, sir.
So,
Thank you,
we'll
sir.
see tomorrow and let's see what we discuss tomorrow also, right?
ओके
Okay. Good night.
Thank you.